How to turn on biometric authentication on Play Store. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on biometric authentication on Play Store. First go to Play Store and then click on your profile here to go to the setting, of course, and then click settings. And now you need to click this one, authentication, click on it, and now I need to do it, just turn this one on, and now you need to type Google password here and then click OK. And as you see, this is how to turn on biometric authentication on Play Store. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.